everyone, welcome to online class. I am Basamma, P1T. I am from Upper Public School. I will be teaching you social study for grade 3. Yesterday, in previous class, we have studied about lesson number 5, water on the earth. Today we will continue the same lesson. Before start the lesson, we should recall what we have studied in previous class. What we have studied, children? Yes, we have studied about the water. Water is important to all living things. And see, it is one of the natural resources. Afterwards, what we have studied? We have studied about importance of water. Humans, animals, plants need water. Yes. And after that, what we have studied? Yes, we have studied about forms of water. We can see 3 forms of water. What are they? Yes, solid, liquid, and gaseous. We can solid, liquid, and gaseous. After that, what we have studied? We have studied about the what? Sources of water. We can see 2 sources of water. One is natural sources and another one is man-made sources. Yes, children, we have studied about these all. Today we will learn what? Water pollution. Today we will learn water pollution. See here, water flows down and form rivers. Water flows down and form river, form mountain. See, water flows down water flows down and forms what? River. Rivers. Water flows down and forms rivers. From where? From mountains. Mountains. See here, water that flows down and forms river from mountain is clean and pure water. This water is what? Clean and pure water. Pure water. As it is entered to the place, water becomes polluted. Waters become polluted. What did happen? Water becomes polluted. See, water that flows down and forms rivers from mountains, and as it is entered to the place, it becomes polluted. Okay, understood? See, now what do you mean by water pollution? What do you mean by water pollution? See here, what water pollution? When various water bodies like rivers, seas, ocean, lakes, and ponds get contaminated by when various water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, and ponds get contaminated contaminated by the harmful, contaminated by the collection of harmful chemicals in them. It is known as water pollution. It is known as water pollution. Known as water pollution. See children, what do you mean by water pollution? See, when various water bodies like yesterday we learned about the water bodies. Yes, various water bodies like what? River, lakes, seas, oceans and ponds get contaminated by collection of harmful chemicals released from the factories, washing clothes and all. Yes, contaminated by the collection of harmful chemicals in them. In them means lake, seas, river and etc. It is known as water pollution. Okay, understood about the water pollution? Now we'll learn the what are the causes of water pollution. See here, causes of water pollution. Causes of water pollution. There are many causes of water pollution. See, washing clothes and washing clothes and utensils also causes of the water pollution. Washing clothes and utensils. Washing clothes and utensils also causes of the water pollution. Yes children, while washing clothes and utensils we use the what? Soaps, detergent. These mix in the water. It is causes of the water pollution. See, next point. See, bathing animals and throwing waste into the rivers and ponds. Bathing animals and throwing waste into in rivers or ponds This is also causes of the water pollution. Bathing animals and throwing waste in rivers also causes of the water pollution. Yes, children. See, harmful substances released from factories. Harmful substances released from factories also causes of the what? Water pollution. Harmful substances released from factories see, harmful substances released from factories also causes of the water pollution. Pollute the what? Pollute rivers and streams. See, harmful substances released from factories polluted rivers and streams. See, what happened? See, seas and oceans also polluted due to seas and oceans also seas and also get polluted due to what? Due to oil spills from ships. These are the causes of water pollution, and throwing dead animals also causes of the water pollution. Throwing waste in river also causes of the what? Water pollution. See, washing clothes and utensils also causes of the water pollution. Bathing animals and throwing waste in rivers and ponds also causes of the water pollution. Harmful substances released from factories pollute the rivers and what? Streams. Seas and ocean get polluted due to what? Due to oil spills from leakage from ships. Okay? Understood about the causes of water pollution? Okay, now we'll learn what? Yes, preventing, how to prevent water pollution. We can say here one slogan, what? See, water is life, take care of it. Water is what? Water is life. Water is a life, take care of it. Take care of it. Water is life. Water is life. Take care of it. Okay. See here. Now we'll learn what? Now we'll learn about the preventing water pollution. Preventing water pollution. Preventing water pollution. See what we all are doing. See, we all are doing. We are throwing plastic bags and other waste should not be disposed. See, plastic bags and other waste should not be disposed of in rivers, lakes. See, rivers, lakes, and see any other water bodies or any other water. See, any other sources of water. See, plastic bags and other waste should not be disposed of in rivers, lakes, or any other rivers and lakes and any other sources of water. Okay? See here, factories should not be allowed to. Factories should not be allowed to allowed to release harmful chemicals chemical waste into what? Water bodies. We should not throw the dead animals in the what? Rivers, lakes, and etc. See how to prevent the water pollution. What we all are doing? We all are throwing plastic bag in where? See here. See this one picture. You will understand. How the water is polluting. What we all are doing? See, we all are throwing waste in the rivers like bottle, what it is? Yes, tube and papers. Yes, and we are releasing what? Factories, wastewater. Yes, children. See here, plastic bags and other waste should not be disposed in rivers and lakes or any other sources of water. Any other sources of water means what? Lakes, well, ocean, seas, etc. Okay, we should not dispose. Okay, factories should not be allowed. Factories should not be allowed to release harmful chemical waste into water bodies. Okay, see here. Understood about the preventing water pollution? Yes. Now we'll move to the clean drinking water. Clean drinking water. Clean drinking water. We need clean drinking water, otherwise we'll become the sick. See, water from seas and ocean is not used for drinking. Water from where? Water from seas and ocean is not used for drinking. Why it is not used for drinking? Why? Because it is too salty. It is too salty. That's why we are not used to drink. Okay. Fresh water from where? Rivers, lakes, ponds, lakes, and sea, and water is purified. Fresh water from rivers, lake, and water is what? Water is purified. And stored and used for drinking. After that, and see here, water is purified, stored and used for then used for drinking. And filter is used. Why we use filter? To purify the water. We use filter to purify the water. Filters are used to purify Purify the water. See here, first we learn this one. Water from seas and ocean we are not used to drink. Why? Because it is too salty. And fresh water from river, lake, and water is purified, stored, and then used for drinking. Filters are used to purify the water. See here, children. Water is very precious. We all know water is very precious. Water is very precious. See, water is very precious. We should save the water. That's why we should save the water. We should save the water is very precious. We should save the what? Water. Rainwater is the one of the most important sources of water. Rainwater is the one of the most important sources of water on the earth. See here. During the what it happened? What do you mean by rainwater harvesting? During the rainy season, during the which season? Rainy season. See, during the rainy season, water, what happened? During the rainy season, water flows into where? Roads and terrace into drain. What did happen? Most of the rainwater during the rainy season, most of the rainwater runs of the roads and runs of the what? Roads and terrace into the drain. After this, we can store this water. We store this water and later we can use this water. This is known as the what? Water. This is known as the what? Rainwater harvesting. During the rainy season, most of the rainwater runs off the roads and terrace into drains. This we can use it later. Okay, and this is known as the rainwater harvesting. Okay, children, understood about the what? Water pollution, causes of water pollution, preventing water pollution, and clean drinking water. Yes, we say one thought. See here, save water and save life. Save water and save life. Water and save life. Okay, thank you, children.